Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using our Silhouette Cameo machine to make this really cute snowman gift box. It's like a little matchbook style. There's little thumb notches on the side. You can slide it out, insert a gift card as you can see here, some treats, some trinkets, even like a little letter, all kinds of things you can fit in there. All right, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. All right, here we are at the computer. I'm already inside the Silhouette Studio software. Now to get to my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right-hand corner and click where it says Library. This will bring up all of my files. On the left-hand side, I have all these folders, and I have one called Videos, which is where our design is. I'm going to click on that. The project we're making is the Matchbox Snowman gift card holder. This is a Lori Whitlock file. The design ID is 282635. Now to bring that to our design area, just go ahead and double click on that image. You can see it comes in grouped. I'm going to right click on it and choose ungroup and separate the pieces. So the blue pieces here represent our pattern paper. So I'm going to put all those together. Oop, not that piece. There we go. And then the top of the hat, I also want to do in that same color as well. So now I can group all these together. That's all going to be cut out in pattern paper. Just right click on that and choose group. Now we have the black piece for the hat, the black piece for behind the face. I'm going to group these together as well. And then the eyes, or the cheeks rather, are already grouped together. Then we have the nose pieces as well. All right, so for the box, we have these three white pieces. Just go ahead and arrange them on your mat. You will need a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock for this. All right, so I'm going to send it to my machine. I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and choose where it says send. Now my machine is not connected. I'll connect the machine, cut this out, come back to my software and delete these pieces. Then bring these pieces over. So I can put a small piece of pattern paper in the upper left hand corner. I could do black cardstock in the upper right hand corner. I could do the cheeks down here, the nose in the middle, that down there. So I'm going to go back and choose send it to the machine, cut it out, then we'll go to the table and put the really cute box together. All right, we are back. Everything is cut out. We're first going to work on the box itself. And just go ahead and crease in all those score marks. Go the other direction. All right, I'm going to take my bone folder and just make sure all that is nicely creased. It's a really cute little box. Like I said, it can hold a gift card, treats, trinkets, some candies. All right, so we have that. We're going to put glue on these 4 tabs. I'm just using the Barely Art glue. You want to have your glue go to the edge. Then bring up the side and then just hold it there, let that glue make contact. All right, work on this one. And this is a Lori Whitlock file, so I will have the link to her website below. So when you purchase this and you cut it out in the Cricut or the Brother Scan and Cut, you can. I believe it was $1.99, which I think is a good price for it. You know, you can easily make it something else other than a snowman. You don't have to make it a snowman if you don't want to. You would just have the box file. All right, so our sides are done. Now we're going to take these pieces here. I'm going to fold them the other way. And then put glue on this piece and that inside piece there. And that's going to get folded over and down. And it just makes this edge more durable. Do the same for this side. All right. So now we have a little pattern paper insert. This is going to go right inside there. And that goes in there to hide all those seams. All right, so we have that part done. Now we're going to work on the wrapper. I'm just going to first, again, just crease on all the score marks to get them started, then go back in with my bone folder. All right, for this one, we're going to put glue on that really small seam right there. Again, you want to have it go to the fold, edge to edge. I'm actually going to take my finger and just get rid of all the extra glue there. And then just place it on there. It will lay flat. All right, so we have the box done. That's our sleeve. All right, now, if you don't want to do the snowman, just eliminate this part and you can make any decoration on there you want, but we're going to go ahead and do the snowman. So we have the white piece, then we have the black piece. It's going to go behind that. I'm just going to take my glue again and just go around these pieces. Then put that on the back. Just like that. Super cute. Okay, we're going to take his cheeks, put them on. That's cute. All right, now we have his nose. They do go a certain way, so make sure you pay attention to that. Put some glue on the back of this piece, and then blot off the extra glue there. If I didn't do a good job on the glue. I kind of smeared it. That's okay though. All right, we're going to set that one aside. Work on the hat. There's a little brim right here. And again, I'm going to blot off the extra. And it goes right where those notches are. Super cute. All right, now we have this piece. I'm actually going to use my ATG for that. Oops. My cheek popped off. All right. Put some glue on the back of this one. And that's going to go across the front toward the bottom. Okay. Let's take his nose. I'm actually going to use a foam square, or two of them, to pop that up. All right, give them a squish. Take the backings off. And there's his little nose. All right, I'm going to take this piece and glue that to this piece. Should have did this first. I'm actually going to use my ATG on it. It's going to get glued to this. Just line up the one side and the top. Okay, and this hat, just put a little bit of glue on the bottom of it. Okay, so now we have that. Go ahead and close that. So cute. All right, now we have these two little pieces here. They actually go on the side, lining up with that scarf piece. Okay, so I have that one. Just turn it on its side and line it up with this piece. So it's the continuation of a scarf. And do the other side. And that quick, it's done. And then do this side. And you can see there's thumb holes or thumb notches on either side, so you can open up either direction, but super cute, right? Put some trinkets in there, some cookies, candies, is it a gift card, a little message, all kinds of fun ideas. All right, so there's that one, and then there's this one here. All right, guys, there is our Silhouette Cameo project for today. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.